a great choice today with the 2019 Ford Flex. Flex isn't just exciting to look at, it's exciting to drive. It hunkers down, puts a limit on lean. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, electronic stability control, security system, compass, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, brake assist, power driver's seat, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.